I am Father ODOMARO MUBANGIZI. I belong to the Church of Jesus. I work for the proposed Ekima University. And I am part also of the church's approach to Catholic social teaching, which I presented today in this conference on the Kenya We Desire. The role of the Catholic Church in fighting corruption is contained in its own tradition of Catholic social teaching that promotes the common good, promotes solidarity, and promotes justice and participation of all the people, regardless of their faith and their creed. The Church believes that promoting the common good is the only way to make sure that the goods of the state, taxes are used properly, and all the functions of the state are at the service of the common good in delivering best services to all the people. The Church has extensive networks within the state, right from the diocese, through the parish, through small Christian communities, and it is through these institutions, and especially the justice and peace departments, that the Church can promote accountability, transparency, but also responsible use of the goods that the state has. So in brief, this is the contribution of the Church, and it has the means, it has the departments of communication that it can use to promote this message of advancing a proper functioning state and society. This Angaza Dialogue Platform, I think, is like a perfect model that can be replicated in other countries which are facing corruption. We know that this is a challenge across the African continent, and therefore this model which has worked here can be reproduced in the other countries, especially within the Eastern Africa, South Africa, and West Africa. The thing I remember, I will take with most of the time, it is this ability for the different departments within the Catholic Church, the media and the CJPD, to work together in promoting the Kenya we want. So especially this working together, the synergy, I think this will stand out as a very important strategy.